In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page on Squarespace. Whether you're building an exclusive section for members or setting up a subscription-based service, this guide will walk you through setting up a member area with ease. First, let's navigate to the Pages panel within your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean, organized layout that makes editing and adding pages a breeze. Look to the panel's left side, and you'll find a series of options. Here, the main thing we're interested in is adding a new area specifically for your members. To initiate this process, you'll locate and click on the plus icon next to where it says Member Sites. This step marks the beginning of creating a dedicated space for your audience that requires logging in to access. Squarespace offers a variety of layout options right out of the gate, designed to help tailor the look and feel of your member site homepage. These templates are crafted to ensure both aesthetics and functionality, so take a moment to browse through them and choose one that best fits the vision you have for your members' area. Now, once you've selected the layout that suits your needs, you'll need to give your member site a name. This title isn't just for personal reference, it's going to be the identifier your members will see. So choose something clear and inviting, such as exclusive content. This simple yet descriptive name helps set the tone and expectation for what lies beyond the login screen. As you progress, you'll start to see your member area taking shape. The interface in Squarespace is intuitive, allowing you to customize features and elements easily. You can modify text, adjust imagery, and organize content just the way you envision. Remember, this area is exclusive. It should be welcoming yet professional, offering just the right amount of intrigue to encourage engagement and interaction. Throughout this process, keep in mind the importance of user experience. Consider factors like accessibility, navigation, and loading times. How will your members interact with this space? How can you streamline their journey? These considerations can make a significant difference in user satisfaction and retention. There you have it. With your member area created, you've now unlocked the potential to offer exclusive content to your site visitors. By personalizing the experience and making your site more engaging, you can foster a stronger, more connected community. As you wrap up, don't hesitate to explore further customization options Squarespace provides. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with tools you haven't utilized yet. Each setting tailored to your specific needs can lead to further improvements in member satisfaction and brand loyalty. Once you're satisfied with your setup, you're ready to invite members to join your community and enjoy the content crafted just for them. I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up a login page in Squarespace. Feel free to revisit and refine as needed. And remember that a well-constructed member area can be a great asset for your brand. Thanks for joining me today.